Test preparation. Civil engineering test. Subject: Railway engineering. Type: Multiple choice questions. Part 2. Question number 1. The standard length of rail for broad gauge and meter gauge are respectively: Option A, 12 meters and 12 meters. Option B, 12 meters and 13 meters. Option C, 13 meters and 12 meters. Option D, 13 meters and 13 meters. Answer is option C, 13 meters and 12 meters. Question number 2. Coning of wheels is provided. Option A, to check lateral movement of wheels. Option B, to avoid damage to inner faces of rails. Option C, to avoid discomfort to passengers. Option D, all the above. Answer is option D, all the above. Question number 3. The maximum degree of curvature for meter gauge is limited to: Option A, 10 degree. Option B, 16 degree. Option C, 30 degree. Option D, 40 degree. Answer is option B, 16 degree. Question number 4. Wheels of a rolling stock are provided flanges on: Option A, outer side. Option B, inner side. Option C, both sides. Option D, neither side. Answer is option B, inner side. Question number 5. Tensile strength of steel used in rails should not be less than: Option A, 450 megapascal. Option B, 500 megapascal. Option C, 700 megapascal. Option D, 850 megapascal. Answer is option C, 700 megapascal. Question number 6. The side slope of embankments for a railway track is generally taken as: Option A, 1:1. Option B, 1.5:1. Option C, 2:1. Option D, 1:2. Answer is option C, 2:1. Question number 7. On BG tracks the distance of outer signal from station limit is kept: Option A, 510 meters. Option B, 520 meters. Option C, 530 meters. Option D, 540 meters. Answer is option D, 540 meters. Question number 8. The weight of the rails depends upon: Option A, gauge of the tracks. Option B, speed of trains. Option C, spacing of sleepers. Option D, all the above. Answer is option D, all the above. Question number 9. Packing of ballast is done: Option A, near the ends of sleepers. Option B, on the shoulders. Option C, under sleepers. Option D, between two rails. Answer is option C, under sleepers. Question number 10. 30 meters long rails are used in: Option A, India. Option B, UK. Option C, Russia. Option D, USA. Answer is option D, USA. Question number 11. Overall depth of a dog spike is: Option A, 120.6 millimeters. Option B, 155.90 millimeters. Option C, 135 millimeters. Option D, 150 millimeters. Answer is option A, 120.6 millimeters. Question number 12. 52 kilograms rails are mostly used in: Option A, broad gauge. Option B, meter gauge. Option C, narrow gauge. Option D, both A and B. Answer is option A, broad gauge. Question number 13. The life of a wooden sleeper depends upon: Option A, quality of its timber. Option B, ability to resist decay. Option C, resistance to weathering. Option D, all the above. Answer is option D, all the above. Question number 14. Metal sleepers are superior to wooden sleepers with respect to: Option A, cost. Option B, life. Option C, track circuiting. Option D, fastening. Answer is option B, life. Question number 15. Largest dimension of a rail is its: Option A, height. Option B, foot width. Option C, head width. Option D, any of the above. Answer is option A, height. Question number 16. Standard size of wooden sleeper for broad gauge track is: Option A, 275 by 25 by 13 centimeters. Option B, 180 by 20 by 11.5 centimeters. Option C, 225 by 23 by 13 centimeters. Option D, 250 by 26 by 12 centimeters. Answer is option A, 275 by 25 by 13 centimeters. Question number 17. 4 points and crossings. Maximum size of ballast is: Option A, 50 millimeters. Option B, 40 millimeters. Option C, 30 millimeters. Option D, 25 millimeters. Answer is option D, 25 millimeters. Question number 18. Yellow light. Hand signal indicates: Option A, stop. Option B, proceed. Option C, proceed cautiously. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, proceed cautiously. Question number 19. Sand may be used as ballast for: Option A, wooden sleepers. Option B, steel sleepers. Option C, cast iron sleepers. Option D, all the above. Answer is option C, cast iron sleepers. Question number 20. The effective bearing area of all types of sleepers is: Option A, 0.40 square meters. Option B, 0.42 square meters. Option C, 0.44 square meters. Option D, 0.46 square meters. Answer is option D, 0.46 square meters. Thanks for watching video.